Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be showing you how I made this body scrub using just 4 ingredients. So the ingredients are sugar, coconut oil, lemon juice, essential oil, and then my preservatives. So I get a clean bowl, pour in 2 cups of sugars, add in 5 tablespoons of coconut oil, then mix it all together. Now I will add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice and then mix it together. And now the essential oil. I will add 10 drops in and then mix. And now adding in the preservatives, as I have added in lemon juice and this is going inside the bathroom. It has and will come into contact with water, so the preservatives is needed. And then mix them all together. Pour it in a clean jar. And here we have it, my sugar body scrub. Exfoliate your body with this scrub 2 times a week. Okay guys, if you enjoy my video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share my video. Until then, see you guys on my next video. Bye.